Welcome back guys to my new video. In this video I'll tell you how to start auto blogging. But before getting started, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss out any important updates from my channel. So now let's go to the computer screen directly. So guys, we have come to the computer screen. Now search ifttt. Now click on the first link. Wait for the page to load completely. Now you can continue with your email ID or you can continue with Google and Facebook also. After entering your email, click get started, then set your new password. As I've already made a new account, so I can continue with Google. Then enter your email ID. Then click next. Now enter your password. After entering your password, click next. After that, it will automatically redirect to the original page of ifttt. Then click on the top right corner and click new applet. Then click on plus icon. That is guys, this is the first step of this process. You have to set the source from which the posts will be fetched to your blog. Now you have to enter the feed URL. If I want to get the posts of Times of India, then I have to get the feed URL of Times of India. You can fetch any website's new posts to your blog. For that you have to search for the RSS feed URL. Here it is on the top right corner, you can see. Then you have to click on it. So guys, as you can see on the screen that there are various types of RSS feed posts that are available. It totally depends on you what type of posts you want to fetch to your blog. If you are not able to get the RSS URL of the other websites, you can just click on sitemaps. It will be automatically redirected to the RSS website. You can also earn money from autoblogs, but you have to work on search engine optimization for this, so that whenever anyone search any posts related to your blog, then it should come to Google. After choosing the post topic, you have to click on RSS. And here we go. Then just simply copy the URL and go back to the ifttt website and just paste it in the feed URL option. After that you have to click on create trigger. So guys, you can see that it is written if RSS then what. So you have to click on plus that icon. Then search for Blogger if your account is on Blogger. Then click create a post. Now you don't need to do anything, but if you want that ifttt not to be shown on your posts, then just erase the ifttt codes as I am doing right now. After doing that, you have to just click create action. Now click finish. So guys, finally our post has been triggered. Now let's go to my blog and see the posts which I have done earlier. That's all for today guys. If you like the video then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.